Hello everyone. Let's dive into a crucial component for your programmable logic controllers, the GHAG ER3V JZSP-BA01 replacement battery. This isn't just any battery. It's a specifically designed power source for your PLC, ensuring your systems keep running smoothly. First impressions matter, and the vibrant orange connector on this battery immediately catches the eye. But it's not just about aesthetics. That orange color is a key identifier, ensuring you're selecting the correct replacement for your system. GHAG emphasizes the importance of verifying this connector before ordering, highlighting that it's designed with 2 locking holes for a secure and stable connection. This attention to detail minimizes the risk of accidental disconnections and potential data loss or system downtime. The battery operates at 3.6 V, a standard voltage for many PLCs, and is designed as a direct replacement for the ER3V JZSP-BA01 model. This compatibility is crucial, as using an incorrect battery can lead to malfunctions or even damage to your equipment. In terms of construction, GHAG has opted for polycarbonate, or PC, as the primary material. This choice is significant because PC offers a good balance of durability, heat resistance, and electrical insulation. In industrial environments where PLCs are commonly used, these factors are essential for reliable performance and safety. The dimensions of the battery are approximately 12 by 3.4 by 1.2 inches. While this might seem like a minor detail, it's important to ensure that the replacement battery fits correctly within the designated compartment in your PLC. A proper fit prevents movement and potential damage from vibration or impact. While the product description oddly mentions recommended uses for product bicycle, it's safe to disregard this as an error. This battery is specifically designed for PLC applications, providing backup power to retain memory and program data during power outages. GHAG, identified as manufacturer A60, is positioning this battery as a reliable replacement option. The emphasis on connector type and material choice suggests a focus on quality and compatibility. For anyone experiencing PLC battery failures or planning preventative maintenance, the GHAG ER3V JZSP-BA01 with the orange connector is definitely worth considering. Just double-check that connector.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.